Hello everyone! Happy New Year! Oh my god, we're already in 2024. It feels like 2023 was just yesterday, and as I film this, we're actually halfway through January, so that's crazy. Since it is the new year, that also means that we're welcoming a new semester. I'm actually not ready yet, or I just don't know how to feel about it because the holidays went by so quickly. In one snap, the holidays are done. But anyway, gotta get back to school, and this video will be preparation for the new semester. Okay, so this semester we want to start fresh, and you guys, I already have a couple of things listed. These are what I need to prepare. So like I need to wash my bag, clean my file case, prepare my personal kit which I bring to school, buy papers, clean and prepare my pencil case, declutter my laptop files, iPad files, and my phone files, take out the pages that I don't need on my binder notebook, make my schedule, look for study materials, write my goals. Definitely need to put more in here, but like these are what I can think of. Okay, so I guess we're gonna start with goals, and my goals for this semester are pretty simple and achievable. I actually don't want to intimidate myself with like so many goals which I know I might not be able to achieve, so I try to keep it simple, and these are what I really need. The first goal is to get better sleep, and to be honest, I slept more last semester than my freshman year. I get to sleep like 6 to 8 hours and I get naps when I get home, but somehow it doesn't feel good. You know, like when I wake up, I feel nauseous, I feel grumpy because I feel like my sleep isn't enough although I'm getting enough sleep. Like sometimes I'd wake up to a headache, like it's just not good, it's not a good sleep. Like I sleep so much, but it doesn't feel good. My goal for the semester is to get better sleep, although you sleep for a few hours, but it feels good, you know? That's what I'm trying to achieve. So my second goal is to read at least 3 pages for at least 2 subjects before bed. Honestly, I had a hard time last semester, especially with my law class, because I couldn't catch up because there's just so much readings to do. I'm trying to change that this sem because I'm having another law class. Actually received a good grade on my law class, but that is not a reason for me not to exert more effort this sem, so I'm still gonna try and push myself and do better. Third goal is to still exercise. I find it hard balancing academics and staying active because my courses are just require so much time. Sometimes I would rather rest than exercise because I'm already so tired from like the workload. Getting a good workout for at least 3 times a week. Yeah. The fourth goal is to save money. Honestly, I spent so much last semester. Like I'm fully aware that I spent so much money last semester on random things, on going out with friends. You know, like I just spent so much and I need to save money this year. I want to buy something and I need to save money for that. And lastly is to utilize my time well. So this year I want to make the most out of my time and enhance my overall productivity, especially considering that I go out quite a lot, like almost every single day. So that being said, a big shout out to Puncube for sending over their minimal 3-in-1 portable laptop desk for me to test out. I was actually super happy and excited when I received this package because I knew that this will be helpful to me, especially since again I go out almost every single day. It's really hard for me to like work outside or like while on my way because I can't just pull out my laptop. I can't just place it anywhere. So now with this portable laptop desk, it will be so much easier for me. So yeah, I'm excited to share this with you guys. So guys, I have been testing out this laptop desk from Puncube and I am seriously impressed. What I love the most about this product is its size. It is indeed portable because it's only A4 in size. It's literally the size of an A4 paper. Plus, it is lightweight, and when I tested it out, my iPad is actually slightly heavier than this laptop desk. So you can actually tell that it is lightweight. And if you're wondering if it's sturdy, given that it is small in size and is light, yes, definitely. My laptop is heavy, but this laptop desk holds it up fine. And I've tested it for 3 days straight without taking my laptop off, and it's still doing the job really well. This portable laptop desk also comes with cool features. It offers 2 different angles, allowing you to adjust it higher or lower based on your preference. Personally, I prefer the higher angle because it makes typing on my laptop much more comfortable. It also comes with a retractable mousepad, which is really cool. I found that some people had troubles with the mousepad, but honestly, my mouse works well with it. I have not had a single problem since I had this laptop desk. Here's another feature that I was not expecting at all. This also works as a clipboard, and they're actually excellent for that because, like, hello, a clipboard, a laptop desk with a mousepad all in one. That's actually a clever idea. Overall, I genuinely love this laptop desk. It's practical, looks great, has a nice vegan leather, and being lightweight and portable is especially handy for a college student like myself. However, I wish it was priced lower since it sells for $60, but considering the features of the portable laptop desk, I think it's worth the investment. If you guys want to buy your own portable laptop desk, you can get a sweet 15% off using my discount link down below. Again, thank you so much to Puncube. Okay, second is decluttering files. I suggest you guys do this too because it saves so much space. And while decluttering, I just realized I still had the files from my freshman year, which was crazy. Now I'm looking for study materials because not all my professors give out materials or references to use, so I gotta find my own. And I actually managed to find materials for almost all of my subjects, so yeah. So here's the binder I use. I bought this from Shopee years ago. I feel like I bought this in 2021 or 2020. I'm not really sure. But here are the pages that I've used already. I put them in the back. So these are empty pages. These are already refills that I bought. So here are the papers that I need to take out. My notes were so pretty before, like I had so much time using different pens and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this. So yeah. I'm just gonna take them out of my binder, but I'll be keeping all these. Moving on to my pens. Actually, I only have one pen left. I don't know where the others went. So in my pencil case, I only have my calculator, a red ball pen, the only pen left, a correction tape, and an eraser. I actually bought new pens from Shopee. These are the ball pens I bought, and I actually used to love these when I was in high school, so I'm trying them out again. And then I also got a new mechanical pencil. If you've watched my final study vlog, you would know that I broke my mechanical pencil, so I got a new one. I also got some lead refills. I also got a highlighter. I actually bought two, but I don't know where the other is. I don't know where it went. I'm gonna put them inside my pencil case again. I'm also adding a stapler. My friend gave this to me, so now we're moving on to my kit. I definitely need to buy a new pouch because this one is not giving. Lastly is my file case. I'm also gonna put some index card in it because we need this for the first few meetings or the first meeting. Okay, so now we're gonna pack my bag. I'm still using this Puma backpack that I got last year. Okay guys, now we are done with all the preparations and all that's left is to slay the semester. So I hope you guys like this video and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!